Good day, sir. My name is Clyde Jordan C. Albaniel, a third-year student from Bachelor of Science Computer Engineering, Block B. So for my final project in Computer Engineering Drafting and Design, I created a 7-segment LED counter circuit. This is a circuit designed to display 0 to 9 numbers using LED lights. So this is my project. On the top side, you can see all the necessary components, including the LED display, the number button, and the reset button, and the power switch. Now, let's turn it on by pressing the power button. As you can see, when I turn it on, the display shows the number 0. Now, when I press the number button, the circuit increments the display number from 0 to 9. If I press the reset button, it allows the counter to reset back to 0. The entire setup is enclosed in a durable plastic box, with the number display visible behind an acrylic glass panel. So now let's remove the top part so we can take a look at the inside, including the PCB design and the wirings. First, I will remove the battery. The battery that I am using is a 9-volt battery. The internal components. Here is the PCB with the copper design on the bottom. You may notice some jumper wires that I've been soldered. These were added to fix areas where the copper connection were damaged. My solution was to use copper wires to restore the connections. Now let's look at the top part of the PCB. As you can see, there are 21 LED in total. These are all controlled by the CD4026BE, a 16-pin integrated circuit or IC that performs 2 key functions: counting and driving a 7-segment display. I've used a terminal screw to allow easy connection and disconnection of the power supply or the battery. The components that I use for my circuit. Resistors. I use 7 220 ohms resistor for the LED in each segment to limit the current, and I use 2 1K ohms resistor to use from the switches and for the power source. And I also use a 22 microfarad 16-volt capacitor to smooth out the voltage fluctuation and stabilize the power supply. I also use 2 tactile buttons, one for incrementing the number and another for resetting the display. And the SPST switch is used to control the power supply for on and off functionality. So that's the overview of my project and its components. Thank you for listening.